outdoor enthusiast, this is it. The SA 4x4 and Outdoor Show Gauteng, SA's most action-packed outdoor and leisure show. See the toughest 4x4s, SUVs, caravans, boats and off-road machines built for the wild. Test your limits on 5 epic tracks. Drive or sit as a passenger or drift in a V8 on the track. It's an adventure playground. 6 and 7 September 2025 at Swartkops Raceway. Get your tickets now at CompuTicket or The Gate.
Buitenlig enthousiaste, dis tyd. The South African 4x4 and Outdoor Show Gauteng, Suid-Afrika se mees aksiebeleide buiteligskou. Sien die beste 4x4's, SUV's, karavane en bote wat gemaak is vir die buitelig. Toets jou uithou vermoë op 5 epiese bane. Ry self of wees 'n passasier of geniet 'n drifting ervaring in 'n V8 op die baan. Dis die avontuur van 'n leeftyd. 6 en 7 September by Swartkops Raceway. Kry jou kaartjies nou by CompuTicket of by die hek.